Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ali. I hope you're all doing well and are staying safe. So today I have an OhmBeads unboxing that I want to share with all of you. OhmBeads sent me a few beads from their latest release, which is the May release, to review, and I am so excited to share everything with you. With the package came this postcard, which shows you the new items that are in this release. And so as you can see, it has to do a lot with nature and flowers. And so I'm really excited to open that. And they also sent me this, which is their last month's release, this cute little cloud and rainbow and rain bead. And then they also have some of their, well, this is, I think these are last month's, and then these are the month before that. So just some of their beads that they have. I love this one. I have this one. This was, I want to say last year or the year before that this was released, and it just brought back so many memories. I had to pick that one up. And so yeah, lots of different beads that they have in their collection. And I always love receiving postcards and pamphlets, and I just love that. I collect these, so I always appreciate that. And the box itself came packaged so beautifully in Ohm tissue paper. And then there is this bow with the Ohm ribbon. And so let me open this up and we'll see what they sent me. So this is the box that was wrapped inside the tissue paper. So if you open that, there's some more tissue paper. And then there you can see some boxes in there and a pouch. So let's take everything out. So let's open this one first because I know what's in here. This is part of their space collection. So they're releasing one new bead every month for their space collection. And so this month, the bead is this one. And this is called Jupiter Jamboree. And you have Jupiter, which is the planet that's in the middle. So you see that dark oxidized ball. That's Jupiter, and these are all supposed to be the moons of Jupiter. I think there's like, I don't even remember how many moons they've discovered that Jupiter has. And so I guess these are the 4 main moons on the Bail, which is really cute. I like how they've done the moons on the Bail too. And then all these moons that are orbiting Jupiter. So that's Jupiter Jamboree, and this is a heavy bead. I mean, it's not a very light bead, so there's some weight to it, which I like that. So this is Jupiter Jamboree, and let's see what is in this one. Oh, there's another pouch in here. So in here, ooh, I think I know what's in here. This is a new clasp that they have released, and this is called Lily of the Valley. And this is so beautiful. Look at the details on this. Look at all the Lily of the Valley flowers and the leaves, and oh, this is so beautiful. The details on this are just amazing. This is the first thing that caught my eye when I first looked at photos of the new collection, and I'm so happy that they sent me this one. This is so beautiful. So you can use it as a clasp on your I think any of the bracelets that they have with the hooks at the end. I'll show you in a little bit how I will use this. And so yeah, this is the Lily of the Valley clasp. Now let's see what's in this big box. And okay, there's an insert in here, and it just tells you all about eucalyptus and what the plant is used for, and spiritually what it is, and what, oh, okay, so there's that. Oh, and here are a few more beads from the new collection. As you can see, there's 4 in there. So let's start with this one because I was really excited to see this one too. And this one is called Spread Your Wings. It is a dangle, and you can see it's a pretty decent sized, it's a pretty big dangle, and it's in the shape of a butterfly. One side of the butterfly's wings are just, a typical butterfly wings, and on the other side you have all these flowers, which is just such a beautiful detail on here. And the other side, okay, so the other side is the same as well. You have the butterfly wings and more floral details on the wing itself. Oh, look at the detail on this. Even the actual butterfly side of the wing, you can see how they've used oxidation in the recessed bits to really make the details stand out. And the bail on it is made up of leaves and stems. Oh, this is so beautiful. It's a beautiful dangle. Again, it's not, well, it's thin, but it's not like lightweight. It has some heft to it, so you're not going to bend it or damage it when you're wearing it. So even on a bracelet, so it doesn't have to be worn on a necklace. I think even on a bracelet, this would be a strong bead and a hardy bead to wear on a bangle or a bracelet. So this one is Spread Your Wings. This next one is called Daylily, and it is another addition to their round floral beads. I have quite a few of those. I have the sunflower, the rose, the poppy, the iris, and then I have another one that has a few different flowers on it. I don't know what it's called. It's I think it's been retired for a very long time, but this would make a very nice addition to that floral collection. As I said, this is the Daylily, and it is a big bead. It's a big round bead, and I think it would be approximately the same size as the other flower beads. Actually, hold on a second. Let me get those and we'll see how it compares in size. Okay, so I have the sunflower on this side and I have the poppy bead on here, and then in the middle you have the daylily. So you can see that the daylily is actually the same size as the poppy. I think it might be a tiny bit smaller than the sunflower. I think this one is just slightly bigger, but not by a whole lot, I don't think. I think they're pretty even in size, all of these. So this is the new one. And yeah, you have the different lilies with some leaves and stems, and it's a beautiful, beautiful bead. This is another dangle that was released, and this is part of their Australia collection. This is called the Face of Australia, and you can see that it's supposed to be, I think, a landform. At the back, you have these etchings, which I think have an Aboriginal origin, and I just love the side. I mean, both sides are really nice with the detailing, but this side is just so beautiful. And the bail on this is just a round bail. It has some almost hammered details to it. And again, it's a small bead, but it's not flimsy at all, and so it does have weight to it, so it is pretty strong and won't get damaged when you wear it. So I don't know how I'm going to design with this. Maybe on a chain I think that will look really pretty. I think what I would put with this on a bangle, I'll have to look at it because it's so beautiful. I love the etchings on it. And this is one of the glass beads that was released in the May collection. And this one is called Every Night Beneath You. And oh my goodness, look at the beautiful pastel colors on here. The one I have is mostly that light blue green kind of color, and then it also has these pinks and lavenders, and then there's this ripple effect. It is so beautiful. That's the side, so you can see it looks almost clear on the sides. So all this detail is actually at the core that you can see. Love the colors on this one. It is beautiful. There's 2 other glass beads that were released with this collection. There is this one. This is called Lost in a Dream, And then this one, which is called In Between You, which again look beautiful. I don't know which one is my favorite, but I think I'm going to be ordering these two eventually. They also released a snake chain bracelet. And so you see how they have hooks at the end of the bracelet. So that's how you can hook the clasp on and wear that as a clasp. So yeah, these are the items. Oh, there's another little pouch. I totally forgot about that. So there's this pouch too. So let's see what's in here. Oh, it's a butterfly. Is this stone? Or is this resin? I'm not sure, but it is so pretty. It's black with these almost blooms of gray and white on here. It's very pretty. Very, very pretty. Oh, thank you so much, Ohm. I'm so excited. So hang on a second. Let me show you a few designs that I would do with these beads, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here is the first design. This is with Jupiter Jamboree, and I paired that one with Moon Kitty. This is called A Serious Wish, which just reminds me of the night sky with stars and galaxies in there. And this one was a blind bag unique that I got. And again, it has that dark black background with these dots, which just look like galaxies and stars. And so yeah, that's what I went with. I did put it on the oxidized twisted bangle that they have, and I think this one looks really nice. So that's with the Jupiter Jamboree. With this is, let me see, this is the Faces of Australia, or the Face of Australia dangle, and I paired it with two of the exclusive Australia glass. These are retired. I don't think they're available anymore. This one is called Coober Petty, I think, and this one is a rainbow eucalyptus, or I don't remember the exact name of this, but I'll put it down here. But I just wanted to pair it with some more Australian beads, and this is a simple design, but I do really like it. And as I said, I think this will look really pretty on a necklace or a chain just on its own. And so there's that one. This one is on the silver twisted bangle. And then the last design I have is with the beautiful Daylily, and then Every Night Beneath You, and Spread Your Wings. These three are the new beads in this release. And then this is a glass bead that was released a few years ago, just looked very similar to this but different colors. And this one, as you can see, has more of a darker purple stripe in the middle with pink and a few white bits too. Again, I'm forgetting the name of this one. And then this is the iris bead, which is another flower bead from OhmBeads, and I think it looks really pretty paired with Daylily. So I did this one. This is on the smooth oval bangle from OhmBeads. So I love these bangles. I love them because they have this clasp here, so I am, I'm carefree. I'm not worried about losing a bangle or it twisting on my hand and me losing it. And I like the oval shape because it sits really nicely on my wrist. So there's that. And then my favorite piece from the whole collection is this Lily of the Valley clasp, and I have it on my skinny bracelet, and this is just so beautiful. I love this. I think I saw somebody put this on a leather whip. I think it was Rita. She put it on her leather whip. She threaded it through both these, and it looked so pretty. And so yeah, I think I'm going to try that too. So yeah, these are some of the new beads from OhmBeads' new May collection. Let me know if you enjoyed looking at them, and if you did, do give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I would love it if you would consider subscribing, and I'll see you in my next one. Stay safe, guys. Bye.